Hi everyone, I'm Heather Fiore and this is me. As you can see on the screen, these are my children. Far left is my husband, and the one on the far right has my mother in it as well. I have 4 children, as you can see. My 2 youngest girls are both deaf. We've been through the process of getting cochlear implants for them. They are achieving milestones that I never thought they would make. The oldest one is accelerated in everything, fully mainstream. The youngest one is as well as an A student and fully mainstreamed. They speak just like any hearing person. They utilize what hearing they have from the implant, and they do very, very little sign, if any. They've only learned sign because my oldest one takes ASL and would like to become a deaf ed teacher. Something else you may want to know about me is I am not a procrastinator of any sort. I know that we're not supposed to start this class until March. I did see that the modules were up and started looking at them and decided to go ahead and start doing them with the understanding that things may change and I may have to redo things and change things, but I figure why not do it? It can't hurt me to learn a little extra if things change. On to my professional life. I have been in the school system, in the Vineland school system for 23 years. I started off for the first couple years, about 3 years, I was an aide in the library while I went to college. I graduated Rowan University and then went on for my associate master's in library science and became a librarian for the Vineland School District. And I've been with the Vineland School District my entire career. I currently work at the high school level. I have worked at elementary and middle school. At the high school level, I service 9th through 12th grade, mainly 9th through 10th, but overall it's 9th through 12th. We have 2 campuses, and it's approximately a little over 3,000 students. As far as my short-term goals, it's to get through this class and pass my 60-11 and move on with where I'd like to be. Long-term, I would love to become a VP. I have no interest in becoming a principal. I feel the VPs have more contact with the children, and I want to make sure that I keep that connection with them. What do I hope to learn in this course? I feel that curriculum has been very disconnected from staff input and so forth. So I would like to see what it's like in other areas, in other states and so forth. Do you have more input in curriculum? How does it work for your areas? And also I'd like to know how I can get more involved. Maybe you have some tricks and tips that I've never thought of that I can get more involved in learning the curriculum. So that sums up me. I hope you enjoyed my video.